आई एम साउथ एशियन, वी डोंट से आई लव यू, इंस्टेड हमें बेलन झाड़ू से मार पड़ती है in form of love, in form of showing love. No, but like seriously, sometimes we just need to hear those words. क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है? मुझे ऐसा लगता है more than we think, you know, we really need to hear those words being said out loud. I love you. It still feels extremely uncomfortable to even say it out loud. Like, I know how much our parents love us, but like how much we love also our siblings, despite the differences in argument we have over the years. We know they love us and we know we love them, but every time I think about saying I love you, it just makes me puke out, like blah blah. When have you said it out loud? I want to ask you this today. I want to know. Honestly, I want to know, when have you said I love you to somebody you actually really love? The thing is, we've never been taught to say it amongst our family, and so I've never seen my parents say that between them, and it's always assumed that whatever they do for us is out of love and care for us. But sometimes you honestly need to hear it out loud, and that is the harsh reality of today's day and age. It's a whole different thing to be born in the 60s, 70s, 80s. It's a whole different thing to be born in the 90s, 2000s, 2010s and 20s. Now, like, zameen asman ka farak hai with the internet and digital boom. Zameen asman ka farak hai. There's always this constant comparison and low self-esteem that keeps hammering us downwards. Mental health bhi kharab ho jata hai, and sometimes you do really need to hear those words. If you even by mistake say it out loud in the South Asian household to your parents, I love you, they look at you with the suspicious eyes, like the Kajol from K3G eyes. Like, you know, the eye squint as well as I do. And that's just hilarious. When I say Kajol from K3G eyes, you exactly know what I'm talking about. But no, the suspicion is very real. They might actually think that you want something from them, and hence you're trying to either butter them up, or something seriously has gone wrong for you to even say those words out loud to them. That is the instant first thought anyone can come up with, at least in the South Asian household, or even in the Asian household, right? You would think they might have a really bad history of upbringing, or even this toxic relationship with their family, their parents. But let me assure you, for me, I don't think there was none, for me at least. Like, yeah, maybe our parents saw the world differently and their time was really bad as compared to the times that we are living in today. Yeah, maybe their ancestors, our parents' ancestors, were toxic to them, or even between them, or even the household was somewhere toxic, and you know, we got lucky, we were protected from a lot of BS bullshit. It wasn't normal in the household overall to say I love you out and open, and the more they don't do it, the more difficult it got over time to say it. Like sharam, lajja, maybe being too shy to even express the love. The love we've gotten over time is belan, jhadu, chappal, cricket bat in my case, thappad. That is the love that we know and we've seen and we've understand. And somewhere मुझे ऐसा लगता है this narrative is also changing, because I know how my sibling, she has a kid, how my sibling treats her child, and how often they affirm this out loud, I love you honey, and like using sweet words towards the kid, towards the child. And there's just a whole different parenting style in itself that, you know, I just feel jealous, and somewhere I feel like the kid deserves all of the love that she can get. And sometimes, as I said, you do need to hear those affirmations out loud. The world is crap, poo-poo right now, and I just hope it gets better, but I don't think it might go in the direction that I'm hoping to. But yeah, it's good to hear those words out loud. So why is saying I love you so important? मुझे ऐसा लगता है कहीं ना कहीं वो हमारे फीलिंग्स अफर्म करते हैं कि वर्बलाइजिंग your love affirms the depth of your feelings and strengthens this, emotional bond between you and your loved one, कि वो एक अश्योरेंस जैसा प्रोवाइड करता है. अश्योरेंस भी नहीं, बट रीअश्योरेंस एंड वैलिडेशन कि यस हम हैं, तू टेंशन मत ले, वी लव यू, वी आर हेयर फॉर यू. द सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी एंड बिलोंगिंग दैट इट क्रिएट्स इज अनरियल. आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट, even pre-marriage, and then none post-marriage, which fucking sucks. And I hope nobody of you ever do that to your partner. That just sucks. Yeah, कि अब वो मेंटल ये हो गया है कि अरे अब तो मिल गई है हमको, अब क्या एफर्ट डालने की ज़रूरत है, कहीं नहीं जाएंगी, हमको पता है, लाइक घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर टाइप. बट एनी थिंग यू टेक फॉर ग्रांटेड, eventually they'll leave your house and they'll leave you. So take nothing for granted. Yeah. And keep affirming these feelings out loud verbally, okay? फिर दूसरा एक चीज़ होता है कि if you say I love you out loud, I think that builds a lot of trust and intimacy. Like एक environment create हो जाता है of openness and vulnerability कि ये safe space है, and आप ये safe space में आके आपकी दिल की बात रख सकते हो, and सब open है, कुछ ऐसे छुपाया नहीं है, कोई किसी को बैड एडवाइस, ऐसा टॉक्सिसिटी नहीं है. ओपन स्पेस है, ओपन फॉर यू टू से वट एवर यू फील आउट लाउड. एंड दिस ऑल्सो फॉस्टर्स अ लॉट ऑफ डीपर कनेक्शन ऑन अ डीपर लेवल as you share your thoughts and feelings and experiences more freely. तभी सामने वाले को भी समझेगा ना कि एक्चुअली किस इससे गुजर रही है, वो किस इमोशन से गुजर रही है, क्या हो रहा है उसके लाइफ में. एंड वी नीड मोर ऑफ दिस, वी genuinely need more of this openness and vulnerability between us, amongst all of us, right? Then another thing I love you can verbalizing it can do is promoting mental and emotional well-being. ये तो मुझे हाईली लगता ही है. Like just hearing यार I love you, that positive effect on mental and emotional well-being is unreal. वो जो ऐसा है, it's just mushy जो feeling आता है, it boosts your mood, it reduces your stress and anxiety, it promotes feeling of happiness and fulfillment. Knowing that you are loved and cherished contributes to your overall psychological health and enhances the quality of your life. You need to hear this. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है. It is very simple yet profound way to nurture love and cultivate meaningful connections with your spouse, with your family members, with anyone. Sometimes you just say it to say कि भाई okay you matter to me a lot. Sometimes it does not mean कि I love you in a that kind of way, but like sometimes I love you simply means you matter a lot, I see your effort, I'm absolutely grateful, I love you for that. And we need to keep that in mind as well. And so we need to speak more I love yous yaar. We genuinely need to say you matter a lot, I love you. Yeah. And hence why you will hear me keep saying I love you. Maybe I want to practice saying it out loud and not like the more I say it, the more it will feel like blah, like I want to puke. I don't want that. That's the thing. If you want more love, you gotta share more love. And here I am telling you guys, I love you guys, I love you guys, I love you guys. You matter to me a lot. Your time matters to me a lot, and that's that. Your attention matters to me a lot. So I'll try to say more I love yous because I feel आई लव यू हम बोलते नहीं हैं इतना जितना ज़रूरी है हमारे लिए. समटाइम्स अ सिंपल आई लव यू कैन एक्चुअली ब्रेक डाउन अ ह्यूमन इनटू टीयर्स. इतना ज़रूरी होता है सुनना. सो या इफ़ यू हैव नॉट हर्ड दिस इन अ वाइल, आई लव यू, आई लव यू, आई लव यू. से दिस आउट लाउड टू योर सेल्फ इन द मिरर कि यू आर द बेस्ट पर्सन you've got, and so you have to say I love you to yourself as well. Okay, do this one thing for me right now as I'm ending this podcast. Get up, look in the mirror to yourself, say it out loud, I love you. See if it comes across as uncomfortable. It is supposed to come across as uncomfortable if you've not said it out loud. Say it, see how you feel. Keep saying it. I'll assure you within a week things will shift for you. I assure you, I guarantee you this. Say I love you. Yeah. Okay, that's it for today. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.